I ain't drunk. I'm just drinking.
But you're so high.
Oh man, you know I ain't high.
But you're so high.
Yeah, well I just take a little sip every now and then.
But you're so high.
You ought to be ashamed of
Stay
yourself.
drunk all
Oh,
the
come
time.
on now, you all don't feel like that.
Bam! Hey kids, happy day. Look what we got. Bam! Okay, you've seen this before. I built this, I don't know, a couple months ago. This is the Moka Berserker. Very, very cool frame. And I've taken a couple things off of it because I'm in the transition of, changing some things. But my friend, my brother at Moka, he has different camera options, camera mounting options for this. And he's like, if I send you these, will you show everybody how they work? This is the one that comes with it, that big turtle head looking thing that, is pretty popular right now. Then there's a TPU option that's this guy that'll hold a micro cam. Sticks right on the front, holds a micro cam, and with this and this, you're just the frame, you're looking at 100 grams. Very, very cool. So if you want just a race frame, there you go. You want a freestyle frame, bam, there you go. This is a TPU mount as well that is also for a micro cam, but you can strap your GoPro to it, and that would go right there as well. And then you can see where you got your strap, it goes through there. 3D print, very nice. It's got a really good texture too. It's not that really hard shit. It's that middle ground, whatever. So there's that option. Then there's this option. This one will give you, so this is freestyle with a micro cam. This is race with a micro cam. This is freestyle with a big cam. This is freestyle with a micro cam. That is what I'm going to use. Shock, right? So that's what we're going to do. So we're going to take off this big mount, and I'm going to put this mount in. I'll slap a camera in it real quick so you can see what it looks like. And it's very simple to do, obviously, and I will be right back. Bam, hang on. Bam, and we're back. Check it out. Okay, there we go. This I like. This is much smaller, and basically all this is doing is giving you the option if you want to run a micro cam or a full-size cam freestyle. I personally like this one better than the big one. I think the big one's too big. And that goes for any of them, chameleon or whatever else. Now, something about the big one you have to take into consideration too is the GoPro straps right to it. Okay, so that is definitely an advantage. And it straps to this one too if you want to go micro with a GoPro, or micro racing with no GoPro, or freestyle with a micro. Bam! Look at that thing. Very cool. So, excuse me. So I think this is the only frame out there, and correct me if I'm wrong, guys, I think this is the only frame out there that can do anything. It can be a race frame, it can be a freestyle frame, it can hold a big camera, a little camera. It's the only frame I've seen that has those options. So, pretty freaking cool. Very neat. Very clever idea. So, anyway, if you're considering getting one of those crap wagon, the rooster things or the chameleons, whatever, that's this style in the sense of, this one's got the elevated props, obviously, so you get undisturbed air, you got better flying characteristics, it's just freaking solid as a rock, and you've got so many camera options that you can do with this. Freaking awesome. So anyway, just want to give you an update on that, guys. Keep shining side up. Talk soon. Bye.
Bam, JJ! Bam, JJ! Hope you like fishing.